India has a law called FCRA, and America is saying it's an attack against Christians. See, FCRA is a law that decides who can receive the foreign money and how that money can be used inside India. And one major change they're making now is religious organization can still receive the foreign funding for schools, hospital, or any charity work, or even for places of worship. But there's one restriction that foreign money cannot be used for religious conversion activities. If an organization uses the foreign funds for conversion related work, it can face stricter action or may even lose its FCRA license. The idea is to draw a clear line between charity and religious conversion. Another change in this law is that if an organization loses its FCRA license, the government can temporarily manage the assets created using that foreign money until they are dealt with according to the law. And one US lawmaker says these changes are an attack on Christians. But the United States has its own laws to monitor the foreign money and the foreign influence. Then why can't India have one? Especially with around 22,000 crore rupees annually coming into India through foreign countries, there is a need for transparency. So the real question is, should foreign money be allowed to fund the religious conversions in India? Because that's exactly what this amendment is trying to address. Tell me, what do you think?